easy, delicious foiled wrapper recipe. This one is filled with shrimp, steak, potatoes, and corn, and tastes so delicious. So welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time here, please tap the subscribe button. And to my day one returning supporters, thank you guys so much for all the lovely comments and for those interactions on the videos. So for this one, I have some steak that was already seasoned. So I just cut them in strips and we're going to set that aside. We also have some shrimp that's already clean and washed. And for the season that we're using bell pepper, onion. We're going to use some garlic. And this is pretty much a self-explanatory video, but watch to the end and I'll come back at the end of the video. So please continue watching, guys. Just like that, dinner or lunch as well, and it tastes so delicious. So please like the video, share, drop me a comment below, and also check out my other videos at the link in the description. Some other videos that you will definitely enjoy as well, and I'm going to try to do a 20-25 minutes recipe series. So hit me in the comment section if you're interested in that one, so we can start working on those videos. Dinner vibes, guys. 30 minutes dinner. We have shrimp, steak, potatoes, and corn. This tastes so delicious, guys, and easy to prepare. Let's get into it. Everything well seasoned. Yes. So thanks again for watching, and I'll catch you in another upload. So until next time, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye for now.